Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to share with you my very basic summer makeup routine. So if you want to know that, then keep on watching. So first I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. So this is very good for summer and the color is very matching to my skin, and I don't need much of it, and it does not make a thick layer on your face. You just have to apply it like a moisturizer, like small dots on all over your face. Start with applying, I like to start with applying very less amount of it on all over my face. Sometimes I use a brush to blend it, but sometimes I use a makeup sponge. So today I'm going to use a makeup sponge and blend the product all over my face, and it blends very fast, so you need to make sure you take little portion of it and blend immediately, otherwise it will be hard for you to blend it. So after applying a thin layer of it, you can get a coverage on your face. All your pores will be covered and you'll see your face has become even out. So this is my holy grail foundation. Like, I always use this foundation, or maybe sometimes mix with other foundation. This is how my face looks with one layer of the foundation. After that, I use it as concealer. Also. I apply it on the areas where I still need coverage, or maybe there is some dark circles or black spots or anything. That means it still needs to be even out. So those areas I apply for my second layer, and then same using the makeup sponge, I blend everything. And this is how my face looks after 2 layers of the foundation. I drag it a little bit on my eyelids also. And I find like this is the best foundation I have with me. It has so nice coverage, and shade is also quite matching to my skin tone. So this is my foundation routine. Next I take some concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and I use this little bit under my eyes to further brighten up my face, bridge of my nose, forehead, chin, and above my jawline. So the foundation is already a little bit one shade deeper than my skin tone, so I use this concealer to further highlight the areas wherever I want to highlight my face. So same using the makeup sponge, I blend everything. I make sure the lighter and the darker shade does not have two different lines. They all blend together. And I make sure to use a damp makeup sponge. This way I think I can blend nicely, and I find like I get more nice finish using a makeup sponge than a brush. So here I am blending the concealer above my jawline, so that I have a little bit of highlighting there. Next I am going to set everything using a matte powder. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. This is a mattifying powder, and it will make sure my foundation, concealer, everything set nicely and blended nicely. this is how I like to keep my face for summer. And yeah, next I have applied some kajal, some lipstick, and little bit I have done for my brows. And this is the finished look, and this is going to stay a long time. In between, if I feel like I am sweating or my face is becoming oily, I take little bit of the Rimmel Stay powder or any compact powder and apply it on my T-zones. And yeah, this is the finished look. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.